Modern, minimalistisch und clean.
Modern, minimalist and clean. That's what most furniture looks like today. The handle-free furniture trend continues to be as strong as ever.
Ich möchte euch in diesem Video
In this video, I'd like to give you a quick overview of the soft close unit, and we'll take a closer look at the details using the model.
Genauer an. Ja, schön, dass
It's great that you're back with us for a new video from the Grass Academy. This video is all about the soft close unit for our Dynapro slide, and here we have already prepared our model so that I can give you a quick overview of what you need to consider when using this system.
When
we want to open the drawer, we push the drawer in slightly. The system activates and the drawer comes out. Have you ever wondered what the difference is between a reveal and a gap? It's very important to draw a distinction between these two terms. The difference is as follows. The gap is located at the side between the cabinet and the front panel. The first step is to adjust this gap correctly. We need a certain trigger distance, and the trigger distance is used to push the drawer back so that the drawer can be opened accordingly. Gap must be 2.5 millimeters. On the Tipmatic Soft Close system, this is already preset via the activator, which is located on the side of the slide. This is important, even just to activate the drawer, and I can adjust this as required by -1 or up to +3 millimeters. The activation zone is also important, and that's what we'll be discussing now. The activation zone is on the right side, on the front panel, or also on the opposite left-hand side. This means that I can tap anywhere on the front panel of the drawer, and the system will activate and the drawer will come out. The synchronization rod in the unit is of fundamental importance in making this possible, because this synchronization rod synchronizes the left unit with the right unit, and thus ensures that the drawer is completely extended, i.e. is opened, even if I press the outermost edge of the drawer. And it's important to know that the synchronization rod must be inserted into the system accordingly, regardless of the cabinet width. You do not need one adapter on the left and another on the right for this. The synchronization rod simply consists of an aluminium profile, which is then inserted into the unit. And once I've inserted everything again, I can test it, and you will see that I really can open the drawer by pressing anywhere across the entire width of the drawer. One big advantage of the Tipmatic Soft Close unit is that the opening force can be set to one of 3 levels. I'll remove the drawer now, and then I'll show you the whole thing in detail. Here on the model, we can see that there's a green lever near the front of the Tipmatic Soft Close unit. It's currently set to level 1. By moving it, I can adjust the whole thing to level 2 or level 3. Of course, this must be done on both sides, so that it's easy to ensure, depending on the load, and no matter whether the drawer is light or heavy, that it's also opened reasonably far. If I have a heavy drawer, then I can set the whole thing to level 3. Then I can activate it, i.e. open the drawer, and then the drawer comes out reasonably far. When it comes to closing the drawer, there are 2 options. If I've opened the drawer, then I can, of course, close the whole thing again with a push. Or I can move the drawer up to a certain point here, where I notice a level of resistance. Now, I can close the whole thing with a push until it automatically closes again. And so there are 2 possibilities for closing the drawer. And this is very important for ensuring that the system is tensioned again and is therefore ready for the next opening process. If you enjoyed the video, it'd be great if you could give it a like. Do you have any questions about this product or others? Then write to us in the comments in the description box, where I'll also provide links to more videos on this topic. And in the meantime, I wish you plenty of fun and success in implementing your projects.